I'm monetized on YouTube, but the money still doesn't match the work and the effort. And I think that one of the biggest things that discourage small content creators here on YouTube is that no one ever really explains what the numbers really mean, because we're chasing views, and views are not always necessarily adding up to money. Because when you are trying to get monetized, you think that monetization is the finish line. You think that once YouTube approves your channel, the money will start rolling in. But once you get there, you get humbled really quick. So today, I want to break down the numbers that actually matter. RPM, CPM, watch time, shorts revenue, long form content revenue, and why 1,000 views does not pay the same on every video. Before I really started paying attention to my analytics, I thought that the math was simple. More views, more money. But YouTube does not pay all views the same. And a view is not just a view when money is involved. And I think that that is where most small content creators just don't fully understand until we are already monetized and realize that the money is still very low and just not adding up. Let's start with RPM. RPM means rate per milli. And milli is just a fancy way of saying 1,000 views. And RPM is how much you are paid for every 1,000 views. RPM is the number that is most important to us because it factors in what we actually are getting paid after YouTube and other revenue sources receive their cut. So if your RPM is $2.50 per 1,000 views, well, getting a video with 10,000 views kind of lacks luster once you see the tiny amount of money you make. And that's why I'm learning that I cannot just look at views and assume that a video is making money. I have to actually look at how much those views are really worth. Now let's talk CPM. CPM means cost per milli. And in this situation, milli also means 1,000 views. Now CPM falls more on the advertiser side. You see, CPM is how much advertisers pay for 1,000 ad impressions, kind of like the promotion in YouTube Studio. And this right here, this is CPM. See, I am wearing a free assembly dress that I purchased from Walmart. And what a better user experience can an advertiser get than seeing their product in action? Because someone might say, ooh, that's a really cute dress that Tiff is wearing. I wonder where she got it from. But see, now I'm taking all of the guesswork out of it for you. You know directly who to go to get this wonderful free assembly dress to add to your wardrobe. And because of that, Walmart and advertisers are willing to pay big bucks to see their products in action. So in plain English, CPM is what advertisers pay. And RPM is closer to what content creators earn. And that is why sometimes when you look at your CPM in your analytics, that number might seem decent. But then when you go and look at your YouTube money, it's still low. That does not actually mean that YouTube is broken. That just means that CPM and RPM are not the same number. And this is where a lot of us get confused because we see views, we see monetization turned on, we see ads running, and we look at the money and we think, wait a minute, where is the money? But the truth is, not all views have the same value. So if your RPM is low, that doesn't necessarily mean that YouTube is playing in your face. What that means is that all of your views may not necessarily have the highest earning value. You see, shorts and long form content, they are not the same from a money standpoint. Shorts grab attention. Shorts get your channel in front of more people. Shorts further your reach. But your long form content, that is where the deeper watch time and generally the true money potential live. And that's the reason why I'm not building my channel fully focused on shorts, but instead I'm utilizing shorts so that they can support my long form content, not replace it. Another thing that can affect your RPM is viewer location. Different regions and different countries have different ad rates. So if your viewers are watching from different countries, that same 1,000 views just might pay a little bit differently. Topics also matter. A video about money or software or tech or even buying decisions are going to attract different advertisers because advertisers are going to pay different amounts of money for different types of audiences. So an entertainment channel might not receive as much value as a channel that's talking about tech and money. And let's also talk about viewer intent. Because a viewer that is watching a video about monetization, CPM, and RPM, their value in watching that video is a whole lot different because they are seeking to learn and understand something. And a viewer that is watching with intent can become a viewer that's a whole lot more valuable to advertisers in the long run. Video length and retention, those both matter too. Because if a viewer clicks on your video and clicks off too fast, that affects the value that that video has on your channel. It affects the watch time, it affects the session time, and it affects the amount of opportunities that that video may possibly have to earn. So the question is not, how many views did the video receive? The question is, what type of viewer did that video bring to your channel? And this is where I think my thinking has started to change. Because no longer am I trying to just get more views, but instead I'm trying to get better views. Views from people who care about the topic. Views from people who are more likely to come back. Views from people that care about monetization, analytics, YouTube growth, and strategy. Because if I am trying to build a profitable YouTube channel, I need more than just random traffic. I need the right audience. And your RPM, it can increase. But that starts to happen when your content starts to attract better aligned viewers, better topics, better watch time, better monetization opportunities. So for me, I'm focusing more on long form content. I'm making sure to make videos that are at least 8 minutes in length when the topic actually supports it. And I'm working on my retention and average view duration. And also, I'm focusing more on making videos that are about YouTube monetization, YouTube growth, and the questions that small content creators are having when it comes to building a successful YouTube channel. And shorts, they're definitely a part of the strategy. I'm utilizing them in order to point towards my long form content, and it's actually working. My shorts views, and by using those hooks only in the shorts to grab people's attention and pull them in, it's getting people watching my long form content. And not just the videos that I created shorts for, but the entire catalog. And that is how I know that I'm building a well-rounded YouTube channel. And I'm also watching my analytics differently. I'm not just looking at views anymore. I'm looking at RPM, CPM. I'm looking at estimated revenue. I'm looking at traffic sources, average view duration, watch time, returning viewers, subscribers gained. I'm looking at whether shorts are helping people move into my long form content. Because if a video gets views but does not bring watch time, subscribers, returning viewers, or revenue, then I have to ask myself what kind of growth that really is. And this is why my content strategy, it's changing. You see, I'm using shorts, but I'm using shorts not as the entire business model, but as a part of the strategy. And yeah, I'm watching views, but instead of focusing only on views, I'm watching more when it comes to returning viewers, watch time, and whether the content that I am putting out is helping to build the type of channel that I want. And also, I'm focusing more on putting out videos that help small content creators to actually understand the numbers. Because once I started truly understanding the analytics, I started to panic less over the wrong numbers. So if you are a monetized content creator and your YouTube money seems low, don't automatically assume that your channel is broken, but instead learn the numbers. RPM is the amount of money that you are earning per 1,000 views, and CPM is the amount of money that advertisers are paying per 1,000 ad impressions. And it is your job as a content creator to learn what type of content brings in the type of views that are going to support your content creator goals. You see, monetization, it's not the finish line. It's the starting line for learning how your channel actually makes money. And views, yeah, they're great. But profitable views, that's the business. My name is Tiff. This is my take. Be blessed, have a blessed day, and most importantly, do what you can to bless someone else's day.